Welcome to the Red Cloud Research Roundup, hosted by Red Cloud Financial Services. It is November 18th. Critical mineral and gold explorer Canterra Minerals has had some positive drill results out of its Buchans Project in Newfoundland. Meanwhile, in Ontario, nickel explorer Canada Nickel Company has seen high-grade nickel mineralization out of its polymetallic Bannockburn project. Timothy Lee, mining analyst, is here to provide details on the two stories. So with that, Tim, what can you tell us about these recent drill results?
Hello, and thank you for the warm welcome. This week, we had drilling results from two companies on the base metals side. First, Canterra Minerals Corporation reported results from its Buchans Project in Newfoundland. Canterra is CTM on the TSX Venture Exchange. Canterra is a Red Cloud investment banking client. Canterra reported the first 6 holes of the 8-hole, 1,600-meter drill program at Buchans. The project hosts the past-producing Buchans mine and the open-pittable Lundberg copper-zinc-lead deposit. The drill program focused on expanding the Lundberg deposit and testing the 2-level target area, 50 meters to the northwest of Lundberg. 5 of the 6 holes encountered polymetallic VMS mineralization that included copper, zinc, lead, and some gold and silver, while the 6th was abandoned in historic underground mine workings. Highlights include 2.25% copper equivalent over 60.25 meters from surface in hole 3531, and 0.9% copper equivalent over 121.45 meters in hole 3527. Overall, the holes successfully extend mineralization both laterally and at depth. Hole 3529 tested an extension of the 2-level sulfide horizon, and while it encountered mineralization, it was a bit lower grade. Nonetheless, it demonstrates further expansion potential in this horizon. Assays are pending for the remaining 2 holes, which targeted the area of higher grade mineralization in hole 3531, and the central corridor of the Lundberg mineralization at depth and to the north. With Buchans and its other VMS deposits in the central Newfoundland mining district, Canterra has a total of 26 million tons of resources. The company has the goal of increasing this to 40 million tons. In our opinion, these are positive results. Hole 3531 encountered a wide interval of mineralization with grades well above the resource grade, demonstrating the significant open pit potential at Lundberg. While some holes encountered lower grade mineralization, this program has successfully demonstrated the expansion potential of this deposit. Canterra has assembled a significant land package with a sizable resource base that appears disproportionate to its market cap. Also, Canada Nickel Company reported drilling results from its Bannockburn nickel project. That's CNC on the TSX Venture Exchange. We have a buy rating and a $2.90 target price. The company is a Red Cloud investment banking client. CNC reported assay results from hole BAN 24-18, testing the F zone at Bannockburn, which is located about 65 kilometers south of Timmins. CNC had previously reported visual observations from this hole, which encountered massive sulfides, and this was confirmed in the assay result. The massive sulfide interval graded 3.95% nickel, 0.4% copper, 0.15% cobalt, and just over 1 gram a ton platinum group metals over a width of 4 meters. This is within a broader interval of 1.61% nickel over 12 meters. As noted previously, historic drilling by other operators had also encountered some narrow intervals of massive and net textured massive sulfides, including a highlight of 2.9% nickel over 2.8 meters, about 50 meters east of Canada Nickel Company's hole. CNC is conducting downhole EM geophysics to help target future drilling nearby. As well, the company has identified other targets based on geophysics conducted in the summer of 2024. CNC continues drilling on the B zone, which is a larger zone of lower grade bulk tonnage nickel mineralization at Bannockburn, with the goal of producing a resource estimate in the first half of 2025. In our opinion, this is a positive result, as assays have confirmed high-grade mineralization in the previously reported massive sulfide interval. From here, it will be important for step-out drilling to demonstrate the presence of further high-grade mineralization, as well as the presence of a hit 50 meters away in a historic hole is encouraging. While CNC has been a leader in advancing bulk tonnage targets, high-grade nickel deposits are rare and highly prized. Thus, this could be an important discovery.
Thanks for listening to the Red Cloud Research Roundup podcast, here to provide insightful news on the mining landscape. To access the research reports discussed, explore all of Red Cloud Securities' free research reports, and to subscribe to our email list, you can visit redcloudsecurities.com. That's all for now, and see you next Monday for a new episode of the Research Roundup.